Are you still facing these challenges with your crusher plant? ZENITH NK Mobile Crusher is designed to solve them all. With 36 standard models covering coarse, medium, and fine crushing, as well as screening operations, NK Mobile Crusher adapts to every need. Its modular design and universal straight beam frame, available in I, L, and Z shapes, break spatial limits across diverse sites. No concrete foundation needed. NK Mobile Crusher can put into production rapidly, saving you time and money. Moreover, the one-button start and stop operation and maintenance-free components make the operation and upkeep remarkably simple and hassle-free. Besides the optimized designs, the advanced technology and strict quality management system are also applied. Currently, ZENITH NK Mobile Crusher have been globally deployed across diverse projects, leveraging their advantages for maximum efficiency and flexibility. Save space, cut costs, speed up installation, simplify operation. ZENITH NK Mobile Crusher, your ultimate solution for flexible, fast, and efficient crushing.